We have a very, very customized program for tuition reimbursement. We offer tuition reimbursements for students that are just now enrolling in school. We offer tuition reimbursements for those wanting to extend their education, and we offer tuition reimbursements for those who have already graduated. We have all levels of reimbursement available. We take it seriously. Come see us to talk about what we can do for you.
So what attracted me here working for Morgan in this industry is, I went to trade school, Hillsborough Community College, and while I was in school, I was working here part-time, working my way up, and I've always had an interest in this field since I was a little kid, so it was an easy decision for me to go into the industry, and Morgan Auto has been a great choice. All the management, everybody's very helpful, has guided me over the years to get to where I am today.
The management really takes pride in making sure that you meet your goals that you set personally. They help you every step of the way. If you want to become a team leader or a shop foreman, they make sure that you get the training that needs to be done, and they make sure that you're on the path to success for your career.
I'll be using all the experience and skills that I have learned from school into my job, and I'm being paid back my tuition. I don't have to worry about that now. That's $16,000, $17,000 now that I don't have to worry about. And we all get along with each other. Again, the work environment's fantastic. I love everyone that I work with. Sometimes after hours, we'll hang out after we're working on our own cars, have music going, we joke around with each other. We'll go out, get pizza and stuff, go back to the shop, and we'll work on all of our cars.
I think we all get along pretty well, and we make a great team, work well together. Tend to be behind you. If you want to move forward, they'll be behind you and try to help you and assist you any way that you want to achieve your goals.
Morgan Auto Group is there for you. They're there to help you. They're there to get you where you need to be.
If anyone was to ever need advice about a career in automotive, I would join a Morgan Auto Group because Morgan makes it happen.